Hello and welcome back to How in the Loft. This is one of my flash graphics I made when I got into the internet. This was Flash. I drawed the engine using the drawing tools and then animated it. Flash was a great program, but it was laid to rest by Apple. So there we go. No more Flash, no more easy logos like this. Well, this is another engine from the Loft. It's the Evening Star. There's quite an odd story to this loco. It is a crappy tender drive model. I've just rebuilt it. And I took it apart many years ago. Oh dear, I've lost the box. I'll be back with you in a moment. Yes, my Evening Star. When I rebuild an engine or service an engine, I use a box. Let's have a look inside. I've never liked this engine, to be honest with you. I don't like tender drives. This thing couldn't pull a skin off a rice pudding. I don't know why. On the 2nd of the 10th 2000, I decided I was going to rebuild it and motorise the chassis because I was so peed off with this. So this is what happened. I'll get some pieces out for you. Anybody want a body shell? It's going. Yes, I tried to motorise the chassis and I didn't make a very good job of it. Yeah, the plan was to strip her down and set 2 chassis plates. These are not shaped, by the way, but with the 2 plates in place, there we go. We're back to the same width, and I wanted to then cut the chassis in half here. Put in a normal worm gear, worm and pinion gear, and a normal trying open frame motor. My engineering skills weren't up to it. I had my own workshop and engineers industrial unit, but I had a lathe and everything, but I decided this is a project too far, this is a bridge too far for me. So I packaged her up. She's been in this box for 2000, so she's been in the box for the best part of 20 years, and yeah, that's where it belongs. So to cure it, I bought on eBay just the loco. So I've scavenged the running gear and put it back how it was. The only other thing I have done is I've hardwired it from the 8 pickups on the thing. I've hardwired it into the I don't know if you can see that very well, into the tender, just because of this horrible clip. Have I got this horrible clip? I've got all the pieces for this, spares, all the rodding, but this clip, I can't seem to find it. I've probably thrown it in there's a part of it. Now you recognise that thing. Oh, nothing but trouble. So yes, I've made a real bad job of this. All I'm going to try and do now is I'm going to add as much lead weight to this tender drive, because it will only pull about 3 carriages before this is slipping. It's not the drive tyres slipping on the it's not the rubber drive tyres slipping at all. They're still attached nicely, but I just can't get any traction from it. By the time it's pushed this heavy thing along, there's not much effort left, so I'm going to fill this with as much lead as I can and see if I can use it. If not, it's going to be a stationary model. The rest of the video will probably be stills and with text. So that's Al in the Loft. I should finish off with an ending part to the video. What a shame. What an awful shame. I might sell all this to Peter's Spares. It's a shame because this is a really lovely engine. It really is. I might even invest in a proper loco powered 210-0. That's the problem. I've also got a schools class, and that's also tender drive, and yeah, that couldn't pull the skin off a rice pudding either. So yeah, what a shame. What a real shame. Anybody got any ideas how to make this pull better? 3 carriages and it's really struggling. This is freewheeling and easy. This is all lubricated and running free, but this, well, first time I see a tendered power loco many years ago, I thought, Hornby, what have you done? Why, with all these wheels, why haven't you not got a motor in this beautiful locomotive? These are terrible. They really are terrible. Cheap, nasty. And I gather this is the same chassis that's in all the kind of diesel electric models of the time. A horrible bloody thing. Give me one of these with a motor in it, please. This will pull the house down, but this, not worth a W. Anyway, that's how I've had a rant, and I'm so unhappy. I've spent so much time messing about with this model, and I got a funny feeling it's going to be a stationary model, I think. So that's Al in the Loft. No, not in the loft, in the kitchen, having a good moan and whinge. But that's the Evening Star. Lovely locomotive, just pants. Okay, that's just the end of my video. Take care, people. See you soon.